Some phones arrive, others redefine what a phone is supposed to be. This is the Sharp Aquos R11, crafted by Miyake Design, a form that defies geometry. Not a circle, not a square, just pure intention. Premium glass that feels like it belongs in your life, elegant enough for a boardroom, tough enough for the rain. Pro IGZO OLED Display, 3000 nits of peak brightness. Every frame is reality, only sharper. Virtual HDR technology upgrades everything you stream, even content that doesn't natively support it. 1 to 240 Hz buttery smooth gaming. Near zero battery drain when you're just reading. Intelligent, always. Supervised by Leica Camera AG, a camera system that sees the world the way your eyes wish they could. The 14-channel spectral sensor reads ambient light like a professional colorist. Night mode so real, it feels like cheating. AI processing beyond raw data quality. Zoom in, zoom way in, the detail never breaks. Dual 50-megapixel cameras, ultra-wide and main, both Leica-tuned, every shot, a different world. Full metal box speakers, Dolby Atmos spatial audio. Turn up the volume. Your phone becomes a sound system. Generative AI listens during calls. Extracts dates, names, tasks, and adds them to your calendar automatically. Snapdragon performance at its peak. 12 gigs of RAM, up to 512 gigs of storage. Plus microst, room for everything. IPX8 waterproof, IP6X dustproof. MIL-STD 810G drop tested from 26 angles. Built for the real world, not a glass case. 5000 mAh battery, all day, then some. Android 15 with 3 major upgrades guaranteed. 3 colorways, each one curated to match your space, your style, your aesthetic, not just your pocket. This isn't just a flagship, it's a creative instrument. For the ones who notice the difference between good and exceptional. Sharp Aquos R11, see everything differently.